What if I told you you can run Claude Code, Anthropic's powerful AI coding assistant, connected to NVIDIA's massive catalog of AI model, completely free, right from your Windows machine? You do not need any subscription, any credit card, just free NVIDIA developer account and about 10 to 15 minutes of your time. My name is Preetham and today we are doing something genuinely cool. We are going to bridge two AI words that don't normally talk to each other. Claude Code only speak Anthropic language, while NVIDIA's free API speak OpenAI's language. And of course, since we are not installing any local model in our system, so you do not need to worry about your computer specification, it will run fast. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. The first thing here in case of Windows we need to install WSL inside, because Claude Code need Linux to run it. And this is pretty easy, guys. All here you need to do is you need to click here on start and then type PowerShell and you need to run it as administrator. Once you do that, there is a very small command that you need to type. Of course, I'm going to provide you all these commands in the description of this video. After typing WSL --install, hit enter, and there you go. Here you can see it has started downloading Windows System for Linux, and now it is automatically downloading Ubuntu as well. Alright, so we have successfully installed it. Now here it is asking us to create a Unix user account. Let me quickly do that, and the password. And now it is asking us if you would like to opt in to. And now here you need to click on no. Once you install that, I would recommend you to restart your system. Now after restart, let me click here and type Ubuntu, that is installed, and here we are back. Now the next thing here, what we're going to do is we're going to install Node.js and Python. But before that, let's check for the update, which is sudo apt update. Let's hit enter, and I'm gonna type my password that we have set for Linux. And after we see everything got updated, let's now install Node.js. Again, I'm going to provide all these commands in the description of this video such that you get everything at one place. Now let me type the following command, which is sudo apt install -y software properties common, and here we can see it is already installed. Now please keep on pasting the following commands. And finally Python 3.13. Now again I am going to create the environment and let's activate. Now let's try install this LiteLLM proxy. Meanwhile this install, let's open your internet browser, and now we will be visiting NVIDIA NIM website, which is build.nvidia.com. Now here what we need to do is we need to click here on login and then enter your email address and click on next. Alright, so here you can create the name of your account. So I'm just going to type here Technoholic AI and let's click on create. Finally, we have got our account and it says that please verify your account to get API access. Again, we need to click on verify, and here you need to enter your phone number such that the API can be verified. The good thing here, you're gonna get unlimited API requests without any daily limit. Now I'm gonna click on send via SMS. And now here I need to enter the code that I'm gonna receive in my phone. Now we are ready to utilize it. And here you can see all the models that are available for free. Here we can see the latest offering from DeepSeek, Google Gamma with 31 billion parameter. I mean, these all models are great for coding. You can also test them by asking question here and can see their response. Alright, so now we are here. All we need to do is we need to go here on account and then click on API key. Now here you can easily generate API key by clicking on generate API key. Here you can give your API key a name. I'm gonna say test1, and then you can define the expiry date. I'm gonna say never expire, and then I'm gonna click on generate API. Now after, you can copy this API key and keep it somewhere. Alright, so after having API key, let's go back here and we need to create configuration file, which one can easily do by typing the following command. Let's hit enter, and now we need to paste this carefully. Okay, so let me quickly explain you what this code does. So Claude Code asks for two specific models, Sonnet for heavy work and Haiku for quick tasks like generating file name. We are tricking it when it asks for Sonnet. LiteLLM secretly route to Kimi K2.6, and when it asks for Haiku, it route to DeepSeek V4 Flash. Claude Code never know the difference. Now press Ctrl and O and then hit enter, and then need to press Ctrl and X. After saving, let's verify the file by typing the following command, and there you go. Now we need to run the following command, and then here is the place where we need to enter our API that we have saved in the past. So let me fetch my API and I'm gonna paste it here, and I'm gonna hit enter. Now I am going to run this LiteLLM at port 4000. Now let's open new terminal, or maybe I'm gonna open Ubuntu, and I'm gonna type the following, and let's see what happens. Alright, so seems like it is successfully working. All here we need to do is I need to paste the following and hit enter. So this kind of help me to create these variables. Once created, let's launch Claude, and here we can see we have successfully installed Claude, which is powered by NVIDIA's NIM platform. Now here let's press Ctrl and C to exit, and now I am going to make a directory where we're going to test this. After, you go inside the directory, and now I'm gonna run Claude back again. Let's trust the folder, and there we go. Now here I'm gonna ask it to create a landing page for a coffee shop named Brew and Bean, and I am also asking it to include a hero section with a tagline, a menu section with 3 items, and context section. Let's hit enter, and now everything is fixed and it is running successfully, and I am very excited to see the output. So let's wait for the whole process to get completed, and there you go. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna allow this to create this file, and seems like all the sections are now created. Now let's see how this website look like. For that, again I'm gonna open Ubuntu, and here let's type cd test website and then explorer.exe space dot. This will open the directory that we want to see, and now I'm gonna run this index.html, and this is the way how this page look like. So that's how, guys, we have seen how we can utilize Claude Code together with NVIDIA NIM and generated this website. Hope that you find this tutorial helpful and informational. If you have got any problem at any point of time, please do let me know in comment down below. I will definitely try to help you out with that. Also, make sure you subscribe to Technoholic AI, which is so small, like we do not even have 100 members. So it would be really awesome if you can subscribe us. Your support matters us a lot.